Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have actually partnered up with BH Cosmetics to show you and feature their brand new Paradise collection, which I'm so excited about. And if you guys know, I've been using BH for a very long time, and I appreciate them so much for partnering with me in this video to kind of just show you guys their newest product. BH just has really great makeup for a very affordable price, and I've always loved their brushes. Like, that is the one thing I can say is like my favorite thing. There are so many things that I have fallen in love with a brand over the years, and you guys have probably seen me use a lot of their products in my videos, but today's product is something that is brand new to them. It's not a blush, it's not a lipstick, it's not an eyeshadow. Let's get into it. I don't even know how I'm gonna show all these. This is pure talent, but here we have the products, the Paradise collection, face primers and facial mists. I love this packaging, first of all. Really wish I could go on vacation. As you can tell by the little colors, each primer has its own little facial spray. So you have a hydrating, illuminating, and a mattifying. And then the one in the middle with the white packaging is a refreshing facial mist that I will get into all the details about all the products. Let's start off with your refreshing facial mist. So this is going to be your multi-purpose type of facial mist. You can use this to prep your skin, set your face. You can use it on a very hot day. Lately, it's been like over 100 lately, so this is really good if you just want to mist your face and just get a refreshing mist. I feel like I said that a lot. You can use this to dampen your sponge. You can use this to make your highlight pop. You can use this to dampen your eyeshadow brush to make your metallic shadows pop out more. Like I said, this is the multi-purpose, it can do everything type of spray. This one is going to be good for all types of skin, and it also has a very lovely fruity scent. I think it's like watermelon, and the best part is it's only $10. And on top of that, you can use my code Jesi to save even more at checkout. Now let's get into like the little matching primer and facial mist. I'm gonna start off with yellow, which is Illuminating. All the little primers have a coconut scent, and it's actually very pleasant because it's very summery, and it's not like this super sweet coconut. It smells just like coconut. This is what the primer looks like. These are $14.50, and I like the packaging. It's very travel friendly, squeezy tube. You don't have to worry about glass or anything. This illuminating primer is gonna give you a soft, radiant, glowy skin. I'll show you guys close-ups, but I just wanna swatch it on my hand to show you. It has a very lotiony, creamy feel, and when you blend it out, do you see the glow? It has like this very soft golden sheen to it that is not glittery at all. It's just glow. I actually did a little cocktail with the hydrating and the illuminating primer the other day, which I really like doing that because sometimes our skin needs a few different types of primers for our needs. Nothing wrong with making a little primer cocktail. And this is what the illuminating setting spray looks like. And this one, I believe, has a pineapple scent. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. I wanna drink that. Don't drink it. So just like the illuminating primer, this is going to give your skin a more glowy, illuminated look, and it's a setting spray, so it's gonna lock it in place as well. And also, these are all vegan and cruelty free. Pink is Mattifying. This is for all of you out there who get a little shiny or have a little bit more oily skin. So just like the name, it mattifies your skin. However, if you're somebody who has combination skin, again, play primer cocktail. Apply a more mattifying primer where you get oily, and then the perimeter of your face where you might feel a little bit more dry, go in with a hydrating primer. Why not? Who made the rules? Let me show you how the more mattifying one looks like. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, it feels really good. It's a little bit thicker than the illuminating one, but dang, that actually for a mattifying primer has such a soft but like not drying, silicone-y, heavy feel to it. It's very soft. Wow, oh my god. My skin is like really soft. Where are my lines? So I kind of let the primer sit on my skin, and it has like a very slight tack to it, which is perfect for a base. Like your makeup is just gonna hold onto that really well, and it's very smooth. I really like how that feels, and I'm not into mattifying primers, but this is something I can see myself kind of using on the center of my face. And for the mattifying setting spray, this one has a grapefruit scent. You guys, the mists on these, by the way, I don't know if you can tell, they're really lovely. They don't spit at you, they're not harsh, they're very refreshing, and it's like very fine, so it's perfection. I mean, there's really good setting sprays, and then you spray it and it just kills the mood when it just spits at you. So here we have hydration. And just like the name says, this is gonna give your skin a more hydrated, more quenched feel, and I am all about the hydrating primers. Like, that's my cup of coffee. I really enjoy it, and like I said, I used this along with the illuminating one, and my skin looked and felt Amazing. And this is what the setting spray looks like. This one has a coconut scent. Smells really good in here right now. I want like a fruit bowl. So that was a little run through with all the products. It was pretty self-explanatory. I'm really excited about these because BH has never really had any setting sprays or facial mists before, and this is their first primer in over 5 years for the brand. So it's all over very new and exciting. Now, with that said, I am going to put some of these to the test and do like my little makeup with you guys. I'm gonna do something really cute, summery, quick, easy, but mostly showcasing like the primers and the facial mists today. So let's get into it. I don't know what that was. My face nice and close. It is not perfect by any means, but let's get into priming. I was originally going to pick one primer to put on my face, but I decided I'm gonna use all 3 of them. Like I mentioned, you can use different primers on your face in different areas to tend to your skin needs. Firstly, I'm gonna go into the hydrating one, and I'm going to put this everywhere on my face except for my T-zone. I just realized I forgot to swatch the hydrating one, and it's a very interesting texture. It's clear and it has this really like silky feel to it. I thought the hydrating was gonna look more like lotiony, like a white lotion, but it's not, and it feels very, very nice. So let's apply this everywhere. And just like my last video, if it looks like a little off right now, it's because I have concealer in this area because I just had a really, really rough time with a friend right here. So I put a little bit of concealer on there because it's just not cute to look at, okay? I'm gonna do around my forehead as well. This primer just feels really nice. It's interesting because the texture of it is kind of like this interesting silky gel. It's not just lotiony where your skin's gonna suck it up. It kind of just stays hydrated and like plump on your skin. I do not know how to explain that texture, but it's really nice. Now I'm gonna go into the mattifying one, and with this, I'm going to apply it in my T-zone area. I'm going to focus this right in here. Oh my God, that feels really nice too. There we have the mattifying one, and I know it's like so hard to like show something that doesn't have pigment, but believe me when I tell you, it feels lovely. Lastly, we have the illuminating one. What is wrong with me? That is so much. I keep thinking I'm gonna do my entire face, but for this, I'm gonna focus it kind of like on high points of my face, like where I just want more glowy skin. I'm gonna tap a little bit on my forehead. Now that is skin prep. This is awfully close to my face. I'm a little uncomfortable, but you guys can see the little illuminating primer here. It's really pretty. It's very subtle, but I really like that a lot. My skin feels amazing. The perimeter of my face where I put the hydrating one, it feels really soft to the touch still, but the center of my face is kind of smoothed down and dried down a little bit, so it's gonna control your oils. I'm gonna quickly breeze through my makeup and apply my foundation. I know we have like 4 facial mists and 1 face, but I'm going to pick one of the setting sprays and I'm going to show you how I use a refreshing one. Foundation is on. I can still see some of that glow peeking through and everything looks really nice and smooth. I feel so annoyed of myself because I just have like 15 TikTok songs stuck in my head. This is why I like more hydrating things, even though I have like a normal skin type. I like hydrating just because I know I'm going to go in with foundation, concealers, and powders and all that jazz. So I don't want to look super dry and crispy, you know, like an onion ring. I don't know why I thought of an onion ring, but anyways, I'm gonna throw some bronzer on, add some color to this face because I just realized I didn't cream contour. Time for some blush. I'm so sad. I accidentally dropped this and at least most of it is still intact. We are blushing. Now that the majority of my base is done, before I move on to my highlighter, I'm going to take the refreshing spray. And this is how I used it the other day and it was lovely. I'm really hot right now and I don't know why the air conditioning is off, so this is gonna feel real good. Can you imagine if this was in the refrigerator and it's like even colder than it already feels? That was much needed. I had a little bit of powderiness to my face from all the powder products I used, and that spray kind of sort of basically made my skin look nice and creamy again. I'm gonna take my highlighter. Oh my God. Because my skin wasn't like completely dry from the spray, my highlighter literally, amazing. But if you wanted even more, you can spritz it again. I'm gonna do something super simple on the eyes, just something really fresh and summery, because this is all about the base on your face. But I did want to do a little close-up on how my skin looks at the moment, and I think besides my dry lips, it looks freaking amazing. Like so smooth. And you guys, I don't have smooth skin. I have very I don't know why I'm doing that. My lips are dry. I'm sorry. I'm taking this palette because I feel like the colors kind of, it's a vibe. It's very summery. This is the avocado toast palette from BH. It's very cute. I'm gonna take the shade right here. It's called Over Easy. Apply this to my crease, very diffuse. This palette has a shade called Lemon Pepper, and that's like so funny to me, but lemon pepper is bomb. Have you guys ever had lemon pepper? I'm gonna take a little bit of pink salt, and again, I'm just gonna put this in my crease. I'm also gonna tap it a little bit more so on my lid. Tiny itty bitty amount of paprika, and I'm just going to put a little in my crease just to add some dimension. I'm gonna take the shade right here, Avocado, and I'm going to use a brush and apply it to my eye. And then I'm going to spritz my brush with the Refresh Mist on the other eye to see the difference that it makes when you use a metallic shadow wet. Here it is on a dry brush. I'm gonna go ahead. Ooh, that's already so pretty. Wow. So that's the shadow dry. Now I have shadow on my brush and I'm going to spritz it. And let's apply this to the other side. Ooh. It's like much more metallic. You can see the intensity. All right, I'm gonna do the wet on this side too to even it up. I'll be right back. I added some mascara, and lately I've been really into these soft eye looks that just look really natural, but it's very fresh and pretty. Like, it makes me feel good about myself. I'm gonna finish this off with some lips. I'm gonna line them first because we need a little bit of definition. Define the lip a little. Gotta love lip liner. And to finish it off, one of my favorite glosses. I use this all the time. The BH So Extra. Oh my god. So Extra Gloss In. It's called Extra Foam. Love the formula on these, but they are juice central. With the makeup complete, we're gonna set it all in place with one of the setting sprays. Which one do I use? I was kind of torn between the hydrating one and the illuminating one, but I think I'm gonna go illuminating just because I wanna see how much more glow I can bring to my skin, even though I already feel very glowy and such. So let's take Lelo. So far, just looking in the monitor, I can definitely see my skin glowing. This one was pineapple, right? Because I'm smelling pineapple. There we have it. Let me look at my skin up close real quick. Let's assess the situation. I think it looks so good. That is everything. Those are the primers, the sprays. I am very happy. I feel very content. My skin looks amazing. Oh, hello, little glare. It is so incredibly smooth here. And I did play with these primers, and I could tell you my makeup looked really nice at the end of the night as well. Like, it looked very, very pretty. I didn't use the setting sprays though. This was my first time trying it, and I feel like locked in. Even though it's like illuminating, it really like locked it in. I don't have any transfer whatsoever. I don't know why I'm smacking myself, but there is no transfer. My makeup is on, it's here, it's ready to party. I'm not going anywhere. Huge thank you to BH once again for partnering up with me to create this video showcasing the new products. I'm really excited about it, and I very much enjoyed making this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about these products. Are you gonna try them? Have you tried them? Because they are now available. And yeah, let me know. As usual, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Instagram, Makeup by Jesi. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go. And hit that little bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. I don't know what that was. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.